What's up, guys? So today is New Year's Eve and I'm out of breath because I had to move my car. It's New Year's Eve and I figured I would just film my makeup look that I'm doing for tonight. I'm not doing anything crazy, just Cole and I hang out. So I figured I would do makeup look with the Focallure eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited. I'm really out of breath. I got my Chick-fil-A because Cole and I are going on a diet. Starting the first, going back on track. We used to be like really strict with our diet. And then the last couple of months since the holidays, we slacked. So we're starting back tomorrow. So I got Chick-fil-A for the last time till we decide to have a cheat meal and we go to Chick-fil-A. So yeah, so this is yesterday's makeup actually. I know it's not good to sleep in your makeup, but I do it literally all the time. I know it's not a good habit to get into, but I already gotten into it, so like, we'll see. But I'm gonna watch the originals and I'm gonna do my makeup, and yeah. I don't really have anything else to say. We're not doing anything crazy, just going to his house, ordering Chinese food, and gonna watch the ball drop, and then I'm gonna leave and we're gonna go to bed. But yeah, so I think that's everything. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching my videos. And yeah, let's start doing my makeup because I'm looking ratchet. I'm actually gonna take my Apple Watch off though because it's been irritating my wrist and I don't know why, but I took it off. So yeah, we're gonna start our makeup. Okay guys, now that I look like a hot mess, actually it's not even hot, just like a whole total mess. I just like beat the crap out of my face taking off my makeup, so that's why I kind of look extra ugly and like very red and blotchy. But this is my skin without makeup. I don't think I've shown you guys. This is a little really too close and personal for my comfort, but it's okay. I have a lot of freckles on my face. I have this little mark right here. I don't know where it's from. But yeah, but this is my skin. This is how it is. It's really, really dry and it's always red here, here, and my cheeks when I take off my makeup, so it's not normally there. But yeah, this is my skin. But we're gonna go ahead and do the makeup now. As for my makeup wipes, I used the Publix brand makeup remover. I don't use anything special because I don't think it's that big of a deal. I would even use water if I wanted to take off my makeup. It doesn't really bother me, but I do use waterproof mascara, so I can't use water. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead. I haven't decided what eye look I'm gonna be doing yet, so I have to figure that out. But I'm just gonna fast forward my face makeup because you guys have seen me do it so many times. You're probably tired of seeing it. So if you don't want to watch me do my face makeup, just skip through to the eyes. And yeah. So I was trying to decide what look I wanted to do, and I figured I would kind of just do the same look I did the other day in my video. I actually don't know when this video is going to be posted, so it might have been a couple videos ago for you guys. I don't know where this glare is on my face, but it's not cute. Is it from that? I don't know what it's from. Okay, anyway, sorry, getting distracted. I think I'm going to do, what is that glare? Whatever. Anyway, forget the glare. I'm sorry, guys. Just ignore it. But I'm going to do the pink eye look. I thought the look was really, really pretty, but I'm going to add some gold into it. So the glare is actually something on my window, so like I can't move it, but it's whatever. But like I said, I'm going to do the pink look, but add a little bit of gold. So we're going to use the colors Hottie, Plum Baby, Ruby, Barbie, and Champagne. So we're going to be using all of those colors in this eyeshadow look today. I'm kind of just going to play around with it and see how it goes. I'm not sure how this is going to go, so I'm kind of nervous, but I'm just going to like play with the colors and see how it looks, and then you'll see how it looks at the end. Guys, so I finished the makeup look. This is what I went with. I kind of just did, let me explain. Okay, so I took, what is it, Hottie and Plum Baby and put them in the crease, and then on my lid I did Champagne and Barbie. In my inner corner I did a highlight color in the James Charles palette, because this one doesn't have a highlight color, so can't do that. But this is my pink look for the night. I'm kind of obsessed with it. I love doing new colors, and I kind of wanted to do blue, but I was really scared, so I just stayed safe because I did this yesterday. And yeah, I might pop on some lashes and then call it a day. But thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below, video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.